Hello everyone, this is Rohan Meshram and welcome back to my YouTube channel Scribbles in Bioinformatics. In this video, I am going to walk you through the download and installation process of a new software developed at my lab. Here we present the software BFEER that correspond to binding a free energy estimator. It is basically a GUI based VMD plugin that is capable to perform free energy estimation using endpoint methods like MMPBSA and linear interaction energy. We developed this software because there is no freely available GUI based VMD plugin that calculates the free energy using MMPBSA and linear interaction energy. You can download the software from my SourceForce page using this link. The link to this software is provided in the description box below. Once you reach this page of my project BFEER, you can download the software using this Files tab. So we are providing the two versions of the software, the old version and the new version. The old VMD version is to be used when you are using the VMD version below the latest one. That is, if you are using VMD version like 1.9.2, then you are supposed to use this old version. If you are using the VMD version 1.9.4, then you might be interested in installing the other version that will be available on this particular page just in a while. So once you have downloaded, all you have to do is to click on this download button and it will start the download shortly. So I have already downloaded it, and after you download it successfully, it will be downloaded in the form of a zip file. You need to extract the content of this zip file in a folder. After extracting it, a new folder will appear wherein all the content will be extracted. I have already done this thing. So open this new folder and just visit to the folder where the installer is located. Now it is necessary that you perform this installation by running it as administrator. This is really very important, that you should make sure to run this installation as administrator. Installation of BFEER essentially requires administrative right, otherwise it will not work. So all you have to do is to run it as administrator. It will ask if you want to make the changes, just click yes, and all you have to do is to click this install button and the software will be installed with all of its dependencies and everything. Once you finish this installation, you are ready to roll. So now once the installation is over, you can open your VMD and the software will be available from extension analysis and BFEER. So this is how you download, install and configure the software. Please check my next video wherein I demonstrate how do you calculate MMPBSA for free energy estimation using this BFEER software. So that's it for now guys. Let us meet in our next video.